What is this?
Right seem right.
Righteousness is a
Right seems
good
to
attitude.
be good, and rightness is
Righteousness
righteousness is a good attitude. Righteousness is a good attitude. Righteousness is a good attitude.
Repeat it sometimes.
Righteousness is a good attitude. 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 Righteousness, good attitude. Righteousness, good attitude. Righteousness, good attitude. Righteousness, good attitude. Righteousness is good attitude.
Next.
Right. Good. Actions are but by intention.
Action are but by intentions.
Actions are but by intentions. Actions are but by intentions.
Continue, don't stop.
Actions are but by intentions. 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 Rightness. Right.
Actions are but by intentions.
Actions are but by intentions.
Actions are but by intentions. Continue, don't stop.
Actions are but by intentions. Actions but by intentions. Actions are but by intentions. Actions are but by intentions.
Continue, don't stop.
Actions are but by intentions. 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 Actions are but by intentions.
Okay. Read it, this one. Last letter what?
Last letter Sod.
Before
Sin.
and before and first letter.
Sin.
Okay, one time from the beginning to last and one time from last to first.
Sin. 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 Sod. Sin. Sin.
Carefully read.
Sin. Sin. Sod. Sin.
One time from the beginning to last and one time go to reverse. Go to beginning from the last.
Sin. Sin. Sod. Sin. Sin.
One time seen, sheen, swad, and one time swad, sheen, seen.
Okay. Sin, shin, sin, shin, sod, shin, sin.
Sin, sheen, swad. And now go to begin. Swad, sheen, sin.
Okay. Sin, shin, sod. Sin, shin, sod. That.
And now from the last letter go to first letter.
Sin, shin, sod.
Now from the swad.
Sod. Like sin, shin, sod, sod, shin.
Okay, mashallah, good reading, good reading. Say assalamu alaikum and call to your sister now. Say assalamu alaikum
Assalamu alaikum.
wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, goodbye.
Okay, goodbye. My sister, she's gonna call you on her iPad, okay?
Okay, I'm waiting. Hurry up. Time is very short
Okay.
and work is very hard.
Okay, I'm gonna leave the meeting and I'm gonna tell her to join, okay?
Oh, no, don't. Okay, leave it. No issue.